So yes guys, it is Tuesday and it is 7 in the morning, and just let me show you what the market did. Price is falling great to the downside. It is not respecting any of my bullish perspectives, and yep, so let me just show you that what is price doing and what my possible expectations are. Okay, so as we can see that gold went to the downside just after getting the news expectation, just getting the trade expectation from US and China. And what we could probably expect is the fact that चाइना और यूएस ने अपने 90 डेज के लिए और 100 डेज के लिए अपने टैरिफ्स खत्म कर दिए हैं. They took out the tariffs from minus from 125% to only 10%, which is a very 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 big bullish signal, क्योंकि ये पूरा अप ट्रेंड ही उसकी वजह से चल रहा था. As you can see, this large trend was only because of tariffs. और अब जब टैरिफ गिर रहे हैं कुछ दिन के लिए, तो that is why stocks are ripping to the upside in good momentum, and gold is coming back in down momentum. That is the fact. But yes, so what my current expectations are, as you can see that here we got the China trade negotiation and price went all the way to downside. That signifies कि इनका कितना बड़ा role है. But as you can clearly see, just let me just show you one thing. um I'm sorry. So yes, as you can see that this level is a very 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 important level. That is the 3205 level, which is a very major level, and I believe that price can probably hold it on because it had a very very big push to the downside. So what are my expectations are that price will retest it. I'm gonna take a bullish entry here, and if price respects my decision, it will go all the way towards the next highs, and it is not gonna take the all-time highs, not at all. But yes, according to me, this seems, not a great setup, because we are extremely bullish in terms of, in extremely bearish in terms of uh, gold market, as the economy is now rising, which is not a good factor for gold. But I still believe as this level contains a good amount of liquidity, so price could probably make a little retracement to the upside, which I want to capture, and then it may start tripping. But the more high probability setup is the fact if we watch the economy closely, is the fact that price breaks out these lows, comes above retested, and may keep falling to the downside, which is what I expect of the market currently, and that is what I'm looking for. So yes, I'm gonna take two entries today. Of course, first the low probability one. If price comes down to this level, that is the 3205.41 level, I'm gonna take a bullish position with my stop loss just below these wicks, because as you can see last time we saw a very very great push to the upside, and also we have the London Asian lows just right here. So yes, I'm gonna take a bullish position just right here at this level. And then if price fails out, and I'm gonna if I'm stopped at break out the huge momentum, then I'm looking for pullback to this level, and then I'm gonna take bearish position. The bearish position seems a very good condition for the market to behave, and yep, as you can clearly see, as you can clearly see, we have big feats of liquidity fall side to downside. So yes, as you can see that it was the opening gap which has not been tested still now, and you know what, I expect the gap to test up. So yes, मैं फिर से बता दूँ मेरी दो expectations है. My first expectation is the fact कि price will come down to this level and will make a move to the upside. When it reaches this gap, then it may gain the momentum and fall to the downside, so yeah, so my first entry will be just right here, at my stop loss will be minimum just below here, my take profit will be just right here. Let me just show you that what my entry position will look like. So yep, my entry is gonna be just right here at this level, my stop loss is gonna be just beneath this level, and my take profit will all the way to the opening gap. That gives me a risk to reward ratio of 17.48%. And if price does not behave like in that way, then you know what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take as you can see, if price does not behave like it and price just go up and booms break to the downside, making FVG just rider. I'll wait for the price to retest this level, and here I'm gonna take my bearish entry, of which price is gonna fall to the downside all the way to this level. So 2981 level. So this is what my two entries are, and let's see what happens. What I first take.
These are what my entries for the day looks like. मैं बुलिश इसकी वजह से एंट्री ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी थोड़ा सा वो लगता है कि ऊपर हमारा एक ओपनिंग गैप है जो रह गया, भले वो इतना हाई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थी, छोटा सा गैप है, बट आई स्टिल बिलीव दैट दिस लेवल कंटेन्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विडिटी. सो दो ही चीज़ें हो सकती हैं कि या तो प्राइस को रिस्पेक्ट करेगा, इफ प्राइस रिस्पेक्टेड वी गोना कैप्चर द मूव एंड वी गोना टेक द एंट्री विद मिनिमल स्टॉप लॉस, क्योंकि इसमें टेक प्रॉफिट हमारा हाई होगा of course. And second position हमारी ये होगी कि if price break down this level because of the current economic healing scenario, then I'm gonna take a bearish position that I just showed you, which is also gonna fetch me a good amount of profits. That is what the game is all about. You risk a very little to make a very large amount of money, and you invest on high probability setups analyzing the whole economy. That is what I'm looking for. Also आज का दिन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डे होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हमारी CPI डेटा आ रही है. Today is CPI day, CPI by day, as I mentioned you in the previous video. So yeah, this is pretty much of it for the day. That's what I think, and I'll update you guys on my position what happens. Yes people, my orders are open for the day, and this hit to 02 level, and I am I just got ready for college. Now we'll go to college. आज पट्टी कराने भी जाना है फिर से इसकी. So yes, let's go. The thing I want all of you to understand is the fact that manifest your dreams. I haven't did this, but I still have this in my room because I know that one day soon enough I'm gonna make this huge amount of profit. I have even written my name on it. I have the money which I want. I want my phone to look like this. I want a physique just like that, which I'll get soon enough. I want to buy a Lamborghini Huracan. As you can just see, ST was better, and as you can see, this is what I want my life to look like. I know exactly what my life what exactly I want for my life. I want to be a very 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 profitable and professional forex trader which makes huge amounts of money. I want multiple that gets multiple payouts. I will have my freedom. I will quit college. I will not get in the box. I'll do whatever I want. I will shift out in the country, in another country. I'll improve my trading. I'll join trading groups. I'll be extremely famous. I'll make huge amounts of money. I have my dream car, that is the Lamborghini Huracan, which I will trail through my hometown. I'll have multi-million-dollar mansion in Bali, Puerto Rico, and anywhere else which I have multiple cars. My parents will be well off. My little brother will be well off. Everything जो भी करना है सब मुझे करना है, and I will do it soon enough. I know that. I know where I'm heading, and soon enough I'm gonna be the person that I dreamed of when I was a young kid. No one can stay in my mind. Each and every second I live here. When I go to college, I want to die because I'm not made for this. Sitting in with those people who do not have any minds, who do not have any mindsets, who do not know where they want to go. I'll prefer death over that. And yes, each and everything is just like a very very tough second for me here. मैं ऐसे नहीं रह सकता, मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होती है, मैं हर सेकेंड ही सोचता रहता हूँ कॉलेज का एक एक मिनट बैठ के मुझे मौत आती है बिकॉज आई नो वेयर आई वांट टू, एंड मैं वहीं नहीं जा पा रहा. बट सून इनफ आई एम गोना चेंज माय लाइफ. आई नो एंड आई विल नेवर स्टॉप वर्किंग ऑन. So yes, I am just back home guys, and अपनी पट्टी वट्टी करा दी है. बारिश भी हो गई इसलिए थोड़ा सा लेट आया, बट yes, now I'm ready. Now I'm editing my video and soon I'm gonna export it, and please go watch the previous day's video. After that I'll give you a market analysis, that what the market is all about today. There are some things that I want to share to you, and also then after then we are gonna start our generalizing. We're gonna read book. We're gonna talk about tomorrow, what will be the expectations for tomorrow, and also I'm gonna complete my maths work today, physics work today. So yes, today is gonna be a long day. Currently it's 8 p.m. in the night, and let's start. So yes, Just my editing for the video is complete now. It is exporting, which I'm gonna upload soon enough. um, it is 9:15 now. थोड़ा लेट हो गया वीडियो अपलोड करने में क्योंकि वहाँ से आने में थोड़ी देर हो गई थी. So yes, without wasting any time, जब तक ये अपलोड होती है तब तक I'm gonna journalize and complete my remaining work. And until then, I believe we should complete all of our tasks that I have decided. So without wasting any time, let me just start journalizing for the day. So yes, now it's 10:56 and I'm still doing my work. अभी बहुत काम करना बाकी है. आज से जब तक मेरी सारे टास्क कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाते, I won't sleep at all. And yes, without wasting any time, let me just continue my work. And yes, I'm journalizing and let me just complete my journalizing. It is gonna take a lot of time. So yes, without wasting any time, let's journalize. Okay, so now it's 11:32 and I'm still doing in my work. And yes, I will not show you my writing and skill, but I'll uh, work until my you know journalizing is complete for the day, and I'm not gonna leave anything for tomorrow. So yes, now it's nearby 1 o'clock in the night and my work is nearby complete. और मैंने दवाई भी ली थी 12 बजे, उसकी वजह से नींद आने लग रही क्योंकि इसकी एंटीबायोटिक्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डोज की हैं, इसलिए नींद लग रही. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम नाउ आई एम गोना स्लीप and I'll update you guys in a bit that what happens. So yes, now my each and every work is complete and now finally I'm going to sleep. I just want to say to you guys that it does not care that where you come from and what you do. आप उस चीज़ को कैसे करते हैं वो मैटर करता है. प्लीज़ डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट, टेक आउट टाइम, मेक टाइम. मैं भी यहाँ 7 बजे आता हूँ शाम में, उसके बाद अपना टाइम खुद बनाता हूँ ताकि मुझे पता है ये चीज़ मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है और मुझे यही चीज़ करनी है. तो आई जस्ट डू दैट ओनली एंड दैट इज़ वॉट हेल्प्स मी to be in the proper scenario. So yes, all I want to say is that work hard. No one is coming to save you. Realize it today, realize it tomorrow, or realize it 10 years later on your deathbed. No one is coming to save you. Work hard on your own. खुद मेहनत करो, खुद आगे बढ़ो. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow.